right, so now it is time for my
Oh my goodness. Let me give you good lighting. There you go. Where you want to start?
Man.
You worked so hard on this room.
I did work really hard on this room. This room should have been sponsored by IKEA. 99% of what you see in here is IKEA. Starting over here with my bookshelf. It is the exact same thing as the white bookshelf that Bay has in her room, except mine is black to fit my aesthetic. I have all these lights. They have special bulbs in them that are hooked up to like change colors. So all the lights in my room are like hooked up to that remote. Actually, it's this remote right here. So
tease it.
Yeah, tease it just a little bit.
There's one.
Okay.
No, I'm not gonna show them too much though.
Okay, so we have those, and then I have a lot of books I actually want to add to my book collection. This is only a few of them. I am big on reading and knowledge and like stuff like that, the nerdy stuff that people don't like to glamorize. But I like books and I like reading, so this was a good little section for me. Now that also helps with this corner.
Okay.
So that reading is where I grab my books, but this is my reading corner. So I like this because I can just sit here and kind of look at the water, maybe during the sunrise and sunset.
Focus on that beauty out there. Yes. Okay.
And then this is where I get my peace. So I have my little daily devotional here that I read. It's something that Isi's father used to have that I actually like a lot, so I read it daily. Yeah, it's good life lessons applied in there that I like for my life. Now, as you can see on the walls, the artwork that you see here was from a company that sponsored me via Instagram, but this has now become just, I guess, a close relationship. We've kind of kept in contact with each other and they've been sending me artwork. So Big Wall Art, shout out to Big Wall Art for helping me out with my studio. Michael Jordan, Nipsey Hussle, Kobe Bryant, they each have something special about them. Like Michael Jordan, not necessarily from an interpersonal standpoint, but just from the fact of like greatness. That's why like I have his photo in here, just because like he was just the best at what he did. Yeah. And you know, in life I aim to be the best at what I do. So like that's always motivation. And Nipsey Hussle obviously keeps me humble, maintaining the fact that this is a marathon, not a sprint. You know, he has a lot of good music, a lot of good words of wisdom that he incorporates. So I was like, yeah, that's definitely a good one. And I like the artwork. Like this was like super dope. And then of course the Mamba mentality. I'm really obsessive over Kobe Bryant, not even necessarily because of his basketball career, although he was absolutely great, but his mentality going into his career, like how he used to grind relentlessly, how he would say like, I want to be so good at it that you want to quit when you play me. Like that kind of mentality is like super cool for me. I even have a book on the Mamba mentality down here, you know, chilling at the bar.
You have a book. Oh yeah?
You don't read it, I do.
Oh yeah?